Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for all things Salesforce Trailhead. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your Salesforce skills, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools for maintaining clean and accurate data in Salesforce, validation rules. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create validation rules and how to use them. So grab your Trailhead playground and let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Validation rules are a way to ensure that the data entered into Salesforce records meets certain criteria before it's saved. Think of them as your gatekeepers for data quality. For example, imagine you're collecting phone numbers and you want to make sure they're always entered in a specific format. Or maybe you want to prevent discounts over a certain percentage for specific products. Validation rules make this possible by evaluating the data and returning a true or false value. If it's true, Salesforce won't let the record be saved. Simple but powerful. Now, let's break down the key elements of a validation rule. There are three main parts you need to know. First, the rule name. This is a clear, descriptive name that tells you exactly what the validation rule is for. Next, the error condition formula. This is where you define the logic, the specific conditions that will trigger the error message. And finally, the error message. This is what users will see when they try to save data that doesn't meet the rule's requirements. Make sure it's clear and gives them actionable steps to fix the issue. These three elements work seamlessly together to help users understand and correct mistakes, ensuring your data stays clean and accurate. Let's jump into Salesforce and create a validation rule together. We'll build a rule that requires account numbers to be exactly 8 characters long. From Setup, navigate to Object Manager and click on Account. In the left sidebar, select Validation Rules, then click New. For the rule name, type account number 8 characters. In the error condition formula box, type LEN followed by open parentheses, then account number, close parentheses, then not equal to 8. Check that your formula looks like this, and if you are in doubt, always use the syntax to check your formula. Click on Check Syntax to ensure everything is correct. Great. All good. This formula ensures that the account number field always contains exactly 8 characters. Let me break it down for you. LEN, or len, calculates the length of the value inside the parentheses. Next, we have account number. This is the field we're checking. Finally, the not equal to 8 condition, shown by the less than and greater than symbols, ensures the rule triggers only if the account number isn't exactly 8 characters long. Next, type the error message. Account number must be 8 characters long. Finally, click Save to activate your validation rule. And that's it. Now, whenever someone tries to save an account with an incorrect account number, they'll see an error message. Before we tackle the hands-on challenge, let's look at a few more examples of validation rules and their formulas. Validation rules, like this one, are incredibly flexible and can adapt to meet your specific data requirements. Let's explore a few examples to inspire you. First up, numeric account numbers. To ensure that a field contains only numeric values, you can combine a few functions. Here's how it works. The AND function ensures that multiple conditions are met. The function not is blank. Account number confirms that the field isn't empty. Next, the function not is number. Account number checks that the value isn't numeric. This might sound a bit complex, but when combined, it's straightforward. Here's the formula in action. And not is blank. Account number. Not is number. Account number. With this rule in place, Salesforce will display an error message if users try to enter non-numeric values in the account number field. Now, let's explore how to validate that a date falls within the current year. This is great for keeping your data accurate and relevant. The formula we'll use combines two simple functions, year and today. Here's how it works. The year function pulls the year from the date field you're validating, while the today function gives us the current date. By comparing the two, we can ensure the entered date is from this year. Looking at this formula, year my date not equal to year today. What this is saying is, if the year from the date field doesn't match the current year, Salesforce will block the entry and show an error message, prompting the user to enter a valid date. It's a simple but powerful way to ensure your data stays current. Finally, let's talk about validating salary ranges. This is especially useful for ensuring consistency in your data. Imagine you want to make sure the difference between the minimum and maximum salary values doesn't exceed 20,000. To do this, we'll use a simple formula that subtracts the minimum salary from the maximum and checks if the result is greater than 20,000. The formula looks like this: salary max minus salary min is greater than 20,000. If the difference exceeds 20,000, Salesforce will trigger an error message, prompting the user to adjust the values. This is what the formula should look like. Great stuff. Remember, validation rules are your secret weapon for maintaining clean, consistent, and meaningful data. Whether you're dealing with numbers, dates, or ranges, these rules can be customized to fit your organization's unique needs perfectly. Think about what your data needs and tailor your validation rules to match. Now, it's time for the hands-on challenge. In this challenge, we'll create a validation rule to ensure that a contact's mailing zip code matches their associated account's shipping zip code. Let's launch our playground to proceed. Start by navigating to your object manager, selecting the contact object, and clicking on Validation Rules in the left-hand menu. Next, click New to create a new validation rule. For the rule name, type, contact must be in the account zip code. This is provided in the Trailhead brief. Just copy and paste to ensure it's written correctly. Now, let's define the logic. In the error condition formula field, you can either type it out or copy and paste the following formula. And not is blank. Account ID, mailing postal code, not equal to, account, shipping postal code. Ensure your formula looks like this. Use the check syntax to verify it's correct. This formula checks two things. First, it ensures that the account ID isn't blank. And second, it compares the contact's mailing postal code with the account's shipping postal code to confirm they match. Moving on to the error message. So, for the error message, type contact zip code must match account zip code, and assign this message to display under the mailing postal code field. Once you're done, click Save to activate your validation rule. Okay, let's test it out by creating a new contact and link it to an account with a different zip code. When you try to save, you'll see this message pop up. Contact zip code must match account zip code. Click on New to create a fresh contact and start filling in the required details like first name, last name, and email. As you reach the account lookup, select an existing account, say Edge Communications, with a zip code of 78767. Now, intentionally enter a different zip code for the contact, such as 90210, to simulate a mismatch. When you click the Save, you will notice the system immediately responds with the clear message, contact zip code must match account zip code. This prompts you to correct the error, so update the contact's zip code to match the account's 78767, then hit Save once more. As you do, notice the smooth transition as the contact now saves successfully, confirming that the validation logic is working perfectly. Great job. Let's quickly recap what we learned today, while you return to the Trailhead page to verify your steps. We explored validation rules. They ensure data accuracy by enforcing specific conditions before saving records. They consist of a rule name, an error condition formula, and an error message. You can use validation rules to handle a variety of scenarios, from formatting checks to ensuring consistency across related fields. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments. What validation rules have you created to improve your Salesforce data? Thank you for watching, and as always, happy trailblazing.